So the question which one may ask is, first, is this emergence of new infectious disease something new, or did it always happen? Where do these diseases come from? Will there be new ones in the future? And can we do anything to control them? So let me just say a few words of the past. By no means is the emergence of new infectious disease a new phenomenon. Numerous examples have been observed since antiquity. One would actually observe the emergence of a disease in a part of the world where it was unknown, but this disease was coming from another part of the world where it was already endemic. The best example is the well-known Black Plague in the 14th century, which killed from a third to a half of the population in Europe, and this was actually had been brought from Asia by ships that were involved in the commerce of silk. Then another example, which is rather well known, is that a great part of the American Indians were killed by smallpox, which this time had been brought from Europe to the Americas, where they had never seen this disease before. Then somewhat later, human populations in the Americas suffered terrible epidemics of yellow fever, which had been brought from Africa during the slave trade. And all of these diseases in their time were considered as new disease. They appeared in regions which had never seen it before, or so long ago that it was forgotten. In all of these cases, however, you saw that there was a predominant role of trips of travel in these emerging diseases. It's really disease coming from one place and going to another place. And as you will see, the picture is not exactly the same today, even though travel of people or of merchandise is a major phenomenon which is involved in the emergence of diseases.